Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your financial freedom journey partner. In today's video, I'm gonna go through my $70,000 stock portfolio. So in today's video, I'm gonna go through the stocks that I have currently, the stocks I'm holding, how much I have gained from those stocks. So it's gonna be a fun video. Before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I have started investing more than a year, and in 1 year I am able to accumulate almost like $70,000. So I have created previous videos related to that, how I am saving my money, how what's my strategy of saving money. You should look that video too. This channel is all about finance, personal growth, and stock market analysis. So if you are interested in this topic, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning to upload more and more videos in very frequently manner. So without further delay, let's get started. I have logged into my Wealthsimple account. Well, I'm in Canada. For that reason, I prefer Wealthsimple for investment. So under Wealthsimple, you can see my current portfolio value. It's 67,994. Few days ago it was almost 70k, but after some the bad day in the stock market, now it has gone down to 67,994. That's the part of the stock market. I'm a like more of a long-term investor. For that reason, I'm totally okay with it. One day I see like my stock portfolio is going up to 3,000, and another it's going down, so it's a part of the journey, but I am more of like long-term focused. All right, so here you can see I do have multiple section of my portfolio. So I do have a non-registered account, which means the personal account. So first, let me clarify what is a personal account. Personal account means like when I purchase a stock under this non-registered account, once I get some sort of dividend or any capital appreciation for that particular money, I have to pay tax. That's called personal account. And then I also have a TFSA. TFA stand for tax-free savings account. So in Canada, we get this TFSA account. So if we invest under TFA, we don't have to pay taxes for the capital gains. So that's a good part. So my suggestion to you is please first max out your TFSA and then go for your non-registered account. I already maxed out my TFSA. That's why I am investing now under my non-registered account. Every year, it's almost like $6,000 the room I'm gonna get. So I'm waiting for the next January. And I also have a crypto account where I'm holding few crypto coins there. So at the very beginning, I'm gonna go through my non-registered or personal accounts. So this account has two sections. One is CAD, that means the Canadian stocks are listed in here, and another one is USD, where I have purchased some US stocks. So here you can see if I change it to all time, it's you can see I have gained 4% under my Canadian stock. That is $637 I have gained so far. And if I move to US section, I have gained a lot. It's like 32% my stock value increased under my US stock section. So it's like 2,446. One thing to remind you that it's not CAD, it's USD. So that's a very good return. So it's like 32% of return in a few months. I'm really happy about it. All right, so let's do the same thing for the TFSA. So under TFSA, if I go under TFSA, I also do have the same sort of setup. I have CAD section, I have USD section. Under CAD, if we see in here, so my TFSA has grown by 12%, which is $1,886 under my TFSA. And if I go to the USD section, here it's grown by 37%. That's amazing. That means I have gained 3,487 USD by just a few months. It's like 10 to 12 months. So it's an amazing thing. So that's why we need to start investing, guys. So and also one more section I have in here, that is crypto. It's I am putting at almost like my plan is to put 10% of my total portfolio under crypto. And when I'm talking about crypto, my main holdings are two. That the first one is obviously it should be the Bitcoin, and currently I'm holding almost $2,000 of Bitcoin, which and My Bitcoin is also performing well. It's a 31% increase. That means I have gained almost $500 in here. And my second holding is Ethereum. So these two are main holdings, and I have purchased few other coins here and there. So just I don't want to miss the opportunity. So it's also doing great. So all time is like 11% high. That means $405 all time high. So in total, all of my three portfolio sections are doing amazing. So I'm really happy about it. All right, after going through the performance, now I want to show you my top holdings, which shares I'm holding, and what's my biggest holdings are. So if you see this page here, I have created a trade watch list. So I would also suggest you to do that, because if you have a watch list, then every now and then, every day, you can look into those stocks. So someday maybe you are getting those stocks in a cheap price, and that's the time, guys, to purchase some shares, because you believe the fundamentals of those companies. All right, so I'm gonna click manage. No, here the mobile app version and the desktop one is a little bit different, so I have to just scroll down and up. This way we can go through it. So my biggest holding is amazon.com. I'm a tech person. I work as a cloud architect, and in cloud computing, Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Service, is the top leader. For that reason, I really believe that this stock will definitely appreciate in value in future. And beside that, Amazon has some other business like the retailer business and other stuff. So for that reason, I am pretty confident that this stock in 5 or 10 years gonna give me a lot of return. So here, if we see the performance of 5 years, even in 5 years, it has grown by 46%, guys. And currently I'm holding almost here 23 plus 10 in total. That means I am holding 33 shares of Amazon, and the value is almost 4,000, almost 4,500 USD. I'm holding it, and I'm planning to buy more and more, just waiting for the perfect moment. Even if we see some very important metrics related to this stock, is this market cap is more than 1.44 trillion. So it's a very big cap company, and that's why I like it. The 52 weeks high was 146, and 52 week low was 81. So and currently it is trading at 137, so it's almost there, so it's recovering. And currently it's not paying any yield or dividend, but this is more of a like growth stock, and the potentially to grow, it's outstanding. For that reason, I will also suggest you to purchase this stock. All right, this is my first. So today I'm gonna show you my top 5 holdings. Okay, so that's the first one, and the second one that I want to talk about is Google. We all know what is Google, the giant search engine, the tech leader, right? So 5 years performance, if you see it, it has grown by 105%. That means if you invested like let's say $10,000 5 years ago, by now you'll have like more than $20,000. Isn't it cool, right? So in 5 years it has grown by 105%, guys. And currently I'm holding almost $4,000 of stock of Google stock, and planning to buy and more. And look, the cool stuff here, it has grown by 48%, and here 23%. That's amazing. The market cap is also very big, that is 1.66 trillion. The P ratio is very attractive. The yield right now, it's not paying any dividend because it's spending the earnings in R&D, that is research and development. So if you purchase this stock, hold for a long term, maybe like 10 to 15 years, I guarantee you guys, you're gonna make money out of it. All right, so that's my second stock. My third biggest holding is I can say it's Apple. We all are familiar with Apple, right? As we all love the Apple phone and the MacBook, right? So in 5 years, it has grown by 243%, guys. So that means in 5 years ago, if we purchased this stock like $10,000 of Apple stock, by now we would have like almost 25,000 in 5 years. Isn't it amazing? So for that reason, I really believe in the fundamental of this company. And currently I have 20 shares of Apple, which is $3,500 USD in value, and plan to buy more. So the market cap is even bigger in here. It's $2 trillion. So these are all big cap companies. Because why I'm investing in this, because I'm more of a like long-term investor. I will buy and hold it, and I know technology, and these companies are the leader of their own field, and definitely it gonna help them to grow. So for that reason, I'm purchasing more and more. And with the revolution of AI, just think about it, the tech industry will go up and up. That's all we can predict, right? And the good part about this one is it also pays a little small portion of dividend, that is 0.39%, but at least it's giving some dividend. So think it is giving us some payback, that is dividend, and also it has grown by 243%. So we should buy Apple stock more and more. My fourth biggest holding is Shopify. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this stock. This is a Canadian stock, and in 5 years performance, it has grown by 300%, guys. That's amazing. So if you see here, something crazy happened in here. That is under my non-registered account, it has grown by 48%, and under TFS, it has grown by 41%. So in few months, just few months, I have almost gained 50% of my initial investment. So that's why I love this stock. And the current market cap is 96 billion, which is amazing. And it's more of a growth stock. That's why it's not paying any dividend so far. But in future, when it is done with the growing part, then it will start paying off the dividend. So that's great. So far, for that reason, I would love to hold this. So right now, we can buy this stock at $74 Canadian dollar. But look, in November 24, 2021, it was $197. So obviously, it's if you see the trend after a downfall is going up and up, definitely if it reach this point, I'm gonna make a lot of money out of it. The fifth stock that I want to talk about in today's video is Nvidia. Nvidia is a technology company, and it makes all the chips that we use in our devices. So in 5 years, you see it's have gone up by 556%, guys. That's crazy number. And here I'm just show you one crazy stuff in here. I purchased the 5 share, when it was almost like 136. For some news, the stock price fall to 136, and I purchased that time, and now it's 425. That means my initial investment has grown by 212%, guys. I'm really happy with the growth, and I'm planning to buy more and more, just waiting for the perfect moment when I can buy it at a discounted price, because this share, this Nvidia will go up, that I am pretty certain about. And the market cap is 1 trillion, and it also gives a little bit of dividend, that is 0.04%. And the reason why we purchased the growth tech stock is for the capital appreciation, for the capital gains, not for the dividends. So if we think that way, then this is a pretty solid return. Congratulations, guys, for reaching this far of this video. Today we have covered many things. First, we have gone through my current stock portfolio update, and then we have gone through like my top 5 holdings of tech stocks. So one thing I want to clarify in here, so these are my individual stock. Beside that, I also invest highly in ETF, in S&P 500. In another video, I'm gonna cover that. If you want me to cover any specific share on it, any specific stock, just let me know under this comment section, and I'm gonna do the complete analysis of that particular share. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm planning to upload more and more videos. Well, starting is the hardest part. When I started few months ago, 1 year ago, I didn't know like how to pick a stock, how to start investing. But once you take it seriously, then you will learn. So I recommend you to actually spend at least half an hour of your daytime to learn about this, because you need to be financially literate. If you don't take this seriously, it's very hard to get rich, guys. So that's all for today's video. Thank you, guys. Have a great and wonderful day.